DC motor for powerful, effortless mixing. Professional-grade electric hand mixer has a lighter motor and ergonomic design. Slow starting speed like KitchenAid. Prevent splatters with a first speed that's slow enough to mix ingredients without making a mess when baking. Snap-on storage case with soft scrape beaters, whisk and dough hooks, keeps everything in one place. Stainless steel attachments are dishwasher safe. 7 speeds with QuickBurst at every level, for more control at every speed. Swivel cord for right or left-handed use. Cord adjusts and locks into place to stay out of your way. KitchenAid and Soft Start are registered trademarks of Whirlpool Corporation. Use of the marks does not imply any affiliation with or endorsement by Whirlpool Corporation. Included components: hand mixers. Finish types: non-stick. Material type: slow starting speed, reduces splatter same as KitchenAid. The Hamilton Beach Professional 7-speed hand mixer has a speed for every baking recipe, a slow start to prevent splatters and a quick burst at every level. It includes stainless steel soft scrape beaters, whisk, dough hooks and a snap-on storage case. Top reviews from the United States. Best mixer we've had in decades. The Hamilton Beach Professional 7-speed electric hand mixer is superior in just about every way. It is powerful, quiet and elegant. It has a solid feel and the quality of manufacture is quite apparent. I know there have been some reviews complaining about splattering even at low speed, however nothing of the sort was evident. Perhaps people are using too small of a bowl? The rubber-coated beaters are perfect for using this mixer with anti-stick surfaced pots. If there is one downside, and this has nothing to do with the mixer itself, it is that the plastic stand, holder where the mixer is placed when not in use, is sometimes difficult to disengage from the mixer. This feature is a small part of the whole and in no way detracts from the mixer itself. The Hamilton Beach gets a solid 5-star rating from us.